Yes, hello, welcome back. I'm John, an old YouTuber and PC gamer. I just made a video less 6 minutes about my read list. I did find more PDF, but my read list is like something like this, a big mess. It's a big mess with all kind of notes everywhere and arrows. Like there, everywhere notes, but I think I still know it, and like here, everywhere. So it's 4:20 p.m. Let's continue with this MediaGX that was made by National Semiconductors, I think. This is how I got the link. So I need a minute, half a minute to do myself ready. But that's only 4 pages, so that would be like less 20 minutes. Yes. Read to enter documents.
MediaGX. Cyrix MediaGX MediaGX.jpg. Cyrix MediaGX. BGA General Information Launched February 20, 1997. Common Manufacturer, S. National Semiconductor. Fluid Code 440H, GX/G11, 540H, GXM, Performance Max. CPU clock rate 120 MHz to 300 MHz, FSB speeds 30 MHz to 33 SCHL 1 cache 16 KB. Unified Architecture and Classification Technology Node 0.35 M to 0.4 Microarchitecture 5x86 Instruction Set IA32 MMX GXM Physical Specifications Cores 1. History. Predecessor Cyrix 5x86, successor GIAD. The MediaGX CPU is an x86 compatible processor that was designed by Cyrix and manufactured by National Semiconductor following the two companies' merger. It was introduced in 1997. The core is based on the integration of the Cyrix CX5x86 CPU core with hardware to process video and audio output. Express IM, Express GIPHICS, Express AUDIO. Following buyout of Cyrix by National Semiconductor and the sale of the Cyrix name and trademarks to Via Technologies, the core was developed by National Semiconductor into the GIAD line of processors, which was subsequently sold to Advanced Micro Devices. Whether this processor belongs in the 4th or 5th generation of x86 processors can be considered a matter of debate, as the processor was based on the 5x86, a scaled-down version of the Cyrix 6x86. While the 5x86 was intended to compete with the Intel Pentium line, the 5th generation x86, it was designed to interface with the 4th generation, 80486, motherboard and had only 486S instruction set, lacking the ability to run software requiring the Pentium's new instructions. The MediaGX CPU was mostly used for subcompact laptops. It was also used in the CTX SBook V92C266. Compact Presario 1220 and 1230 laptops, Compact Presario 2100 and 2200 desktops, Casio Cassiopeia Afiva MPC 100 series subnotebook and MPC 501 tablet PCs, and many others, as well as in high-performance embedded applications such as the Pinball 2000 arcade pinball system and Atari Games arcade platforms. Sun Microsystems used MediaGX in the Dover Java Station. Contents. History. Virtual Subsystem Architecture. MediaGX. MediaG11. MediaGX. Disadvantages. See also. References. External links. History. The MediaGX was launched on the 20th of February, 1997. Compaq would be using the chip in some of their computers such as the Presario 2000, which went on sale for $999.1. This was due to a partnership between Cyrix and Compaq. The MediaGX was first available in speeds of 120 and 133 MHz with pricing of $79 and $99.2. The 150 MHz version of the MediaGX was available by June of 1997. This version of the chip would burst in the Presario 2120. The 150 MHz chip would cost $99 each in bulk quantities, with the 133 and 120 MHz costing $88 and $60.3. Virtual Subsystem Architecture. Virtual Subsystem Architecture, VSA, emulates the presence of the real hardware VGA, Express GIPHICS, and Sound Blaster, Express AUDIO. The access to the hardware resources traps via BIOS and emulates in the System Management Mode, SMO, enabling it to execute transparently to the operating system, drivers and applications. 4. MediaGX. Manufacturing process, 0.4 micrometer. Cache, L1 16 kilobytes unified. Core speed, 120, 133, 150 MHz. Bus speed, 33 MHz. MediaG11. Cyrix MediaGX, 180 MHz BGA. Cyrix MediaGX is an improved version of the MediaGX. Manufacturing process, 0.35 micrometer. Cache, L1 16 kilobytes unified. Core speed, 120, 133, 150, 166, 180 MHz. MediaGX. The MediaGX is an improved MediaGX with an implementation of the MMX Enhanced Instruction Set. Manufacturing process, 0.35 micrometer 4-layer metal gloss process. Core speed, 180 266 MHz. Bus speed, 33 MHz. Cyrix MediaGX Cache L1 cache size 16 kilobytes write back 4-way set associative unified I/D cache. Or 12-bit unified L1 cache and 4K scratchpad for SMM and graphics. Integrated peripherals PCI controller. Display controller and 2D graphics accelerator. Hardware Embed 1 supports full-screen video playback. 16-bit audio subsystem Sound Blaster 16/Pro compatible. 64-bit DRAM controller. V-Core 2.9V. VI/O 3.3V. Package 320-pin ceramic PGA, 352-ball BGA. System chipset CX5523 52-pin BGA. National Semiconductor offered this processor under the name MediaGXM. Disadvantages. The MediaGX platform does not provide for external level 2 cache memory, typical for motherboard designs of the period. All of the cache must be on the processor die. MediaGX processors can only run on motherboards specifically designed for the same model of the processor due to tight integration between the processor and its companion chipset. The graphics, sound, and PCI bus ran at the same speed as the processor clock, also due to tight integration. This made the processor appear much slower than its actual rated speed. However, the graphics system is able to use the main system memory, providing for significant cost savings on the basic systems and embedded controllers in the market for this platform. See also Cyrix CX5X86. National Semiconductor. GIAD processor. AMD. References. 1 Cyrix unveils MediaGX. CNN. 20 February 1997. Retrieved the 3rd of May 2000.
Stop. It was edited last few days ago, 10 days ago. So I will just upload this. I have all this linked. This one I have together with the Pentium, the CX5. Yes, let's stop the video before 11 minutes. So I'll just upload this and continue.